Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So, I'm doing this video. I just want to ask your guys' opinion. I value you guys' opinion very much. That's why I figured I would do this. But I've been looking at, along with this thing, the 2021 Acura Tlx. What do you guys think of those cars? Now, I know that all the hype right now is on the Type S. I checked those out. A lot of dealers are marking those things up. I love the all-wheel drive system. Something I don't think Honda will ever do in the sedan market, since the sedan segment is shrinking. So there's going to be less and less money put in these cars. They're all going to the crossovers, SUVs. But what do you guys think as my next ride? You know, they're sharp cars. Has the same motor, the 2.0, 10-speed automatic. I know the interior is really sweet on them. I've seen those. Looks really nice. A little bit less legroom in the rear. But they're a sweet looking car. You know, I do like them a lot. I think they look sharp. I like the redesign. I like that it's a Honda, so you're going to have the reliability like this. I know it's a tad slower because it's, I think, 500 pounds heavier with the same motor in it and all that. But like you guys know, these aren't race cars. But still quick. I haven't test driven one. I've been talking to people with them, and they say it's still a pretty quick car, you know. But what's your guys' thought, really? I mean, would you like to see me get one of those and put my little touches on it? You know, like I said, I love staying with the Honda family. I always have. So I definitely like that aspect of it. And like I said, the all-wheel drive system is amazing. Something that is lacking in this car, especially the 2.0, has a lot of power. Anytime you go around corners, you can definitely feel it want to break loose a little bit. So yeah, I'm just looking, see what you guys think. And like I said, I would go the Type S route, but just the price, even without a markup, it'll be mid-50s. And I don't think you can really get any deals on those. They're not going to drop money just because they're not going to produce as many, and people are going to be willing to pay that price. So I don't feel like it's worth it for me personally. What I like, I've seen some of you guys do it with the TLX already, is when these parts start coming available, to kind of swap a lot of these parts out so it'll look like a Type S. You know, not trying to have a fake Type S, but like the quad exhaust, really sweet looking. You can easily swap that over. They have the diffuser, they have the carbon fiber spoiler. A lot of nice parts that you could easily swap since it's the same body of the car. But like I said, I just want to get your guys' feedback on it. I value your guys' opinion. I really do. And that's why I'm asking on here. You know, a lot of nice stuff you could do to those, just like this car, you know. And like I said, the main thing is it's reliable. I know there are glitches, there's some issues already on them, but for the engine, transmission, that's the bulletproof part of these cars, and which is the most important. And I feel like all new cars have their fitment issues and whatnot. But like I said, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think, and even more so, if you have a TLX or know someone with the newer ones, what their thoughts of it are. You know, like I said, not looking for the fastest car because I would be looking in a different direction, but just overall reliability, drivability, you know, features, comfort, all that kind of stuff. You know, I'd really appreciate it. Okay? Hope everyone's staying safe out there, doing good. I'll have another video coming up very shortly, so please stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks, everybody.